Los Angeles is one of the most extraordinary cities in the world. And for over 3 decades, Tzedek has been bringing hope, change, and empowerment to all low-income Angelenos in extraordinary ways. In 2007, Tzedek expanded services in a number of key areas. Tzedek's Visionary Family Caregiver Project is a national pioneer providing effective support to families coping with Alzheimer's, autism, dementia, and other debilitating illnesses. This past year, the Family Caregiver Project broke new ground in helping families navigate the court system.
One of Tzedek's most important accomplishments this year is establishing the Conservatorship Clinic in partnership with the Superior Court. Presiding Judge Aviva Bob reached out to Tzedek and invited us to become a partner with the court. The Conservatorship Clinic in the downtown court has been very successful, so successful that we recently received funding to expand that clinic into 3 additional courts.
Part of the success of the clinic is to allow us at Tzedek to provide direct and meaningful representation where it is necessary, such as the Naranjo family.
The Naranjo brothers' disabilities include cerebral palsy and some form of mental retardation. They had been living in the same group home for over 28 years.
Pues fue un shock para mí que se hayan llevado a mis hijos sin mi permiso.
Pollo.
¿Quieres pollo? ¿Sí? ¿Y tú? ¿Qué quieres?
The regional center chose to remove these long-term residents from this group home without any consideration for their individual needs or desires or those of the families. The Naranjo brothers are in their mid-40s, and Mrs. Naranjo never had a clue that once they turned 18 that she had no right to make any decisions about the care, custody, and control of them. When asked why the brothers were moved, the regional center's response was that the 3 brothers wanted to move and told them, and one of the brothers, his verbal ability is limited to grunts.
Cuando yo llegué a esa casa fue que miré mis 2 hijos, estaban llorando, no tenían sus cosas, no tenían nada, solo estaban allí en la sala. Los 2 estaban llorando. Para mí fue muy triste todo eso.
Tzedek chose to step in and take this case for direct representation because it's very complicated and you have a family that's in crisis.
Bien.
The temporary conservatorship was followed closely by the granting of a permanent conservatorship. So Mrs. Naranjo's worries are over. She now is able to make all the decisions she feels are necessary and in the best interests of her children.
Tzedek protegió mi familia y nos trajo justicia.
Tzedek's success in helping people like the Naranjo family find justice is possible because the organization reaches out at a neighborhood level to families in need.
Que gracias a Dios y verla conocido, creo que me va a traer la tranquilidad más grande. Tzedek unió a nuestra familia otra vez. Muchas gracias, Tzedek.